This is the reason many household televisions stop working years before their expected expiration date because of common daily errors. Owners buy these expensive displays with high expectations, but they unknowingly cut the lifespan of their device in half through bad habits. Modern flat screens contain delicate microchips and sensitive layers that require specific handling. If you want your home entertainment setup to survive for a decade, avoiding common mistakes is the most reliable strategy. Fortunately, keeping your picture perfect requires only minor adjustments to how you clean, place, and power your device. Protecting this investment means identifying hidden threats that exist in every living room. These hidden hazards often seem completely harmless at first glance, but they quietly degrade internal components day after day. In early 2026, electronics manufacturers updated their standard product warnings to emphasize user-based physical damage. We start our list with our 10th entry, which is spraying cleaning liquids directly onto your display. People naturally want to wipe away dust, so they spritz water or commercial cleaners right onto the glass. This seems convenient. The gravity immediately pulls the liquid downward, which allows it to slip beneath the thin bottom plastic borders. Once inside, the liquid touches fragile ribbons of copper wires that carry visual signals. The result is a short circuit that rapidly destroys the picture panel. In October 2025, repair technicians noted a 12% increase in ruined displays caused by this exact spraying habit. To protect your display, apply a tiny amount of moisture directly to a cloth first, then wipe. This basic change entirely eliminates the threat of gravity pulling moisture into sensitive areas. Coming in at number 9, another common mistake involves using traditional glass cleaners on your television. Many people use products containing ammonia or alcohol to shine their screens, but modern television displays do not feature tough household window glass. Instead, manufacturers apply a delicate anti-glare layer on the outer surface to block reflections. These harsh cleaning chemicals erode that protective layer, which leaves behind permanent cloudy patches or odd rainbow streaks. These chemical formulas often contain up to 5% ammonia, which strips the sensitive material within seconds. Once the anti-glare layer vanishes, the damage is completely irreversible and requires an expensive panel replacement. You can safely protect this sensitive surface by cleaning it with a completely dry microfiber cloth. If a stubborn spot remains, use only distilled water to safely lift the dirt without ruining the view. Our 8th entry on the list involves using paper towels or tissues to clean a dusty television. These paper products feel soft to your skin, but they actually consist of compressed wood fibers. On a microscopic scale, these fibers behave like fine sandpaper, which leaves tiny scratches across the soft plastic outer panel. These fibers measure up to 30 micrometers across, readily slicing into the fine protective layers of your display. Over time, millions of these microscopic scratches build up, which turns your bright picture into a blurry, dull mess. The damage is especially noticeable when the television is turned off and sunlight hits the surface. The only safe way to clean the screen is with a genuine microfiber cloth. This specialized fabric safely traps dust particles within its fibers without scratching the surface. For our 7th entry, pressing on the screen or letting children touch the panel is a recipe for disaster. Human fingers naturally carry grease and dirt, but the real danger comes from the physical pressure applied to the display. Many modern flat screens utilize millions of tiny liquid crystal cells to control light transmission and create the images you see. Excessive, localized physical force can permanently damage the fragile internal transistors or crack the glass substrate, which ruins the color in that area forever. This physical disruption to the internal glass and transistors results in a cluster of black or brightly colored dead pixels that cannot display images. This physical harm is not covered by standard warranties, so you must pay the full cost of a replacement display. You can avoid this expensive issue by teaching family members to view the television from a distance and avoid physical contact. At number 6, blocking the small air vents on the back of your television can quietly destroy its internal components. Flat-screen displays generate a surprising amount of heat during normal operation, so manufacturers design small vents on the top and bottom of the casing to let hot air escape. When owners slide their televisions into tight decorative cabinets, they trap the hot air, which bakes the internal computer boards. Inside these enclosed spaces, temperatures quickly spike to over 140 degrees Fahrenheit within 20 minutes. This trapped heat slowly degrades sensitive capacitors and accelerates the aging of internal silicon components. To prevent this slow destruction, position your television in a location with at least 4 inches of open space on all sides. This small gap allows natural air currents to safely cool the internal electronics during use. Our fifth entry on this list is placing your television above a fireplace or near a sunny window. Homeowners love mounting displays above fireplaces to save space, but the rising heat warps the plastic frame and degrades the delicate display panels. Fireplaces also release tiny soot particles that slip inside the vents and coat the sensitive circuit boards. Sunlight presents a different hazard, as ultraviolet rays degrade organic panel elements up to 3 times faster than normal indoor ambient light. This solar exposure alters the color balance, which makes certain parts of your picture look washed out and yellowed. To ensure your television lasts, keep it in a cool, shaded corner of your room. Placing the device away from these extreme environmental hazards keeps the internal hardware running safely. Coming in at number 4, leaving a static image on your screen for hours can cause permanent visual damage. Many modern televisions utilize organic light-emitting diode technology, which produces beautiful colors but remains vulnerable to image burn-in. When a bright video game menu or news logo stays in the exact same spot, those specific pixels wear out much faster than the surrounding ones. Keeping a bright logo static for just 90 minutes can leave an imprint that lasts for days, and in severe cases, the ghostly outline stays permanently. This means you will see a faint shadow of that logo during every movie you watch. You can easily protect your screen by setting your television to turn off automatically after 15 minutes of inactivity. This handy setting prevents permanent image retention and extends the life of your display. For our third entry, plugging your television directly into a standard wall outlet exposes it to sudden electrical death. Lightning storms present the most severe individual threat, but daily power grid shifts actually present the most frequent cumulative hazard to your household electronics. A single lightning strike 5 miles away can send a sudden spike of 20,000 volts through standard home wiring. This large wave of electricity travels up the power cord, which rapidly vaporizes the television's main computer board. Once this happens, the television is entirely silent, but it can often still be salvaged by replacing the damaged internal board. To prevent this catastrophe, you must always route your power cord through a high-quality surge protector rather than a standard wall outlet. This inexpensive accessory absorbs the excess electricity, which safely shields your television from sudden power spikes. Our second entry on the list involves pushing your television volume to its maximum limit is a sure way to ruin the sound system. Modern televisions are very thin, which means their built-in speakers are also tiny, though they are carefully engineered to be durable. These built-in television speakers usually measure less than 2 inches wide, which severely limits their physical volume tolerance. When you push the audio levels to 100%, you can cause heavy distortion, though modern digital systems usually prevent actual physical damage to the speaker cones. This results in a permanent rattling or buzzing sound that ruins every movie you watch. To avoid sound distortion, keep your system volume at a moderate level, though modern TVs have protective limiters to prevent physical damage even at maximum volume. If you want a louder, richer audio experience, invest in an external soundbar that can effortlessly handle high volumes without strain. Finally, our number 1 most dangerous habit is interrupting a software update, which is one of the quickest ways to permanently disable your television. Smart televisions run on complex operating systems, which require regular updates to fix bugs and improve performance. When an update downloads, the system rewrites its core files, which is a precise process. If you unplug the power cord during this time, you corrupt the system files. Interrupting an update at any point during the rewriting process can permanently disable the device. The television becomes bricked, meaning it is rendered entirely inoperable and unresponsive. To keep your hardware secure, let updates finish completely, even if the progress bar seems frozen. Taking good care of your television is straightforward once you know which habits to change. By avoiding these 10 mistakes, you can protect your screen and extend your display's lifespan by up to 4 years. If you found these tips helpful, consider sharing this video with a friend who might be cleaning their display the wrong way. Let me know in the comments below which of these common mistakes surprised you the most. Your television represents a major financial investment, so taking these basic precautions ensures you get the maximum value out of your home theater. With a little bit of care, your entertainment setup will remain the shining centerpiece of your living room for many seasons to come. Every small habit you change today directly adds months or even years of clear viewing to your screen.